If your Mac sounds weird or quiet even at full volume, you may need to go into the audio settings and confirm the output. This guide will help you figure out the right steps to fix issues as fast as possible. The easiest fix is to go to the Apple menu, click System Settings, and scroll down to Sound. Under Output and Input, you can check the output volume to see if that's the issue. You can also confirm if the right output device is selected and if mute is checked. If your Mac is connected to a random Bluetooth speaker or headset, this may be the reason it's silent. If sound quality is the problem, Boom 3D can give you better audio presets for movies, music, and other content. Download Boom 3D through Setapp to see the available effects. If the issue is a specific Safari tab, the tab may be muted. Check the speaker icon in the tab to make sure it isn't muted and confirm the app's volume slider is on. If the audio is there but it's distorted or laggy, the problem may be CPU and memory load. Try closing unused apps to free up memory. If you're using a Bluetooth device, go back to System Settings, click Bluetooth, and reconnect the device. Switch to different outputs to see if the device is the issue. Reboot your MacBook to see if the reset fixes it. Maybe there's sound in some apps and not others. Back in the settings, scroll to Privacy and Security and click Microphone. The app you're using may need its permissions enabled. If you need audio to play from two sources at once, go to Spotlight with Command plus space, search Utilities, and open Audio MIDI Setup. Click the plus in the lower left and click Create Multi-Output Device. After creating it, you can select the new device in the sound settings. For recording, voice memos is the fastest option. Search it in Spotlight and press the red circle to start a new recording. For more impact, you can edit your recordings in InTrack Studio with new effects. Subscribe to Setapp to try these and hundreds of other apps, including all the tools you need to improve the sound quality on your Mac and fix audio issues. For more simple, reliable fixes for common issues, be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.